I want to talk about an issue that can affect your single post template where you want to show the previous or the next post when you get onto the mobile. Now, as an example, I've got some WordPress posts and I've given them some pretty lengthy titles. Now I'm going to jump into a single post template. So this is the single post template. There's not much content on it because I just want to show the problem and how you can get around it. So over here underneath the actual post, we've gone and added in the post navigation widget. It's currently set to show previous and next, but it also shows us the title. Now, you might not want to show the title, but if you did, this could become a problem for you. On the desktop, it looks absolutely fine. This is what you're going to see on the mobile. Look at that. It's completely cut off. And I know you're going to say, well, just make the text a little bit smaller. Okay, we'll do that. We'll go to the title, go to the typography, and look, I'm going to shrink it down to about 6. It's still cutting off the words. It's chopping them off. And you don't want to be going with 6 pixels anyway. So I'm going to set it to 14 pixel. How can you get that to wrap and show the full description or title? Because I think that doesn't look really good. Because I can't see what it is. It says post 3 with a lon what? And unless you hover over it, which a lot of people aren't going to do, like on a mobile as well, it's not great. And this is what you do. Make sure you clicked on the post navigation, go to the advanced tab, and then add this bit of CSS in and watch the description. Boom. Changes just like that. You can style it for make the previous different to the next if you want, but that's literally all it is. White space, normal, overflow, visible, text overflow, unset, and line height 1.1. You don't have to do that, but let me just show you what happens if you take out the line height and leave it as a 1. It's a bit cramped. If you want to space it out a bit more, you can do. But now on the mobile, you're going to see the full description. And look, it's still fine on the desktop as well. And obviously, you would go and style it out, you know, the title, the previous, the next, and all of that. But that is going to get around the issue of having a chopped off post navigation. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Of course, the code is in the video description. Take care, have fun, see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane.